Two strong features on Capcut you'll never want to do without once you know how to use them. I understand maybe you must have been seeing these features and you don't know how to use them and you just overlook them. You just feel maybe they are designs or they are Capcut watermark or Capcut logo. Guys, not true. Now the number one feature works for if you are an editor, a video editor or any editor, you will need this particular number one feature. Now the number two feature is the mind-blowing feature. Because why I'm calling it mind-blowing feature, because any niche at all, it works on any niche. No matter the niche you are, if you use this number two feature, it's going to work for you. And there's no way you're going to know how to use this thing and you stop using it in all your videos. You get my point? I'm not good at hyping, but I'm telling you the truth. So if you've been looking for video editing tutorials, like how to edit videos, you are on the right channel. All you need to do is to subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing update like this. You will be the first to be notified and you can take part immediately. You get my point? Now the number one feature on my list is the link feature. You get my point? Now when you click on the link feature, it's going to tell you linked. Text, stickers, effect and other elements will move or get deleted with the clips on the main track. I know you don't still get it, but don't worry, I'm going to break it down. I'm going to make you understand what this means, so you'll be able to use this feature from now. Alright guys, if you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button. You get my point? So now we need to bring in another clip. So you click on this plus button here and bring in another video clip. As you can see right now, we have two video clips. So let me just add let's go to the beginning of the video. I want to add a sticker or text here so that you'll be able to understand how to use the link feature. Let me go to stickers. So I will just select maybe this one. I'll select this particular sticker right here, understand, because we are heading towards Christmas. So I'll select it. So just find one corner and fix it, or any position. You can decide to leave it anywhere. This is just for the tutorial. You get my point? So when that is done, just click and drag it. Make sure you extend it to the end of the first clip. You get my point? Please follow it step by step so you'll be able to do it. Now I will still have to add text on this. You get my point? I don't want it to be just this. So let's go to text. I will go to add text. Just move the video to the beginning before you click on it. So you click on add text. So what should I even put here? Okay, let me just say like this video. Like this video, so that you will not say you did not remember to like this video. So from here you can still like this video. So I just want to add style, a little style. So when I add this style, then that's okay. So adjust it to how the size you want it to be. When you are done with that one, you can position it anywhere. So when you are done with the positioning, just keep dragging it, extend it to the end of the first clip. You get my point? Make sure they align. So now at this point, you have to click on an empty space. Like, you know, this video is on the third layer. Click on an empty space, click on the link button here. Now when you click, it will tell you linked. Now all this text and the text and the stickers are linked to that particular clip. Okay, now let's switch the clip so you understand what I'm talking about. Just place your finger and drag it to this other side. You get my point? So when you leave your finger, you see that the whole text and sticker is going alongside with the first clip, and this one still remain where it is because you linked everything under that clip. Okay, now move the video to this side you just linked. Just move the video a little bit, then you click on that link feature. You see that it will unlink all the sticker and the text. You get my point? So now if you tap on the video clip, then swap it again, you will see that this one is just going on its own. The sticker is still where it was, understand? It's not linked to anywhere. Alright guys, let me know in the comment section if I'm able to explain to your understanding. You get my point? And if you will be using this linked feature from now, just let me know in the comment section. Alright, go to your Capcut app, click on new project, import a video. So I have to bring in this particular video, so I will use to show you guys what I'm talking about. You get my point? You know, this is a bonus tip. So if you've been using Capcut for a while now, you will see with me that Capcut do add their watermark at the end of the video, which you still have the choice to delete it. Now if you've updated your Capcut, you will see it at the top of your screen here, so you can click on this watermark right here. When you click on it, this is how it's going to open. So you see watermark, Capcut, visible, hidden, all these ones. Now these are the position you can choose to allow the watermark to be. You can leave it at the lower left, you can leave it at the lower right, or you can leave it at the upper right. You can only hide this watermark if you are a pro member. That's if you subscribe for the monthly Capcut Pro features. You get my point? Or if you are using the type of Capcut I'm using, that I don't even need to subscribe, but I'm using everything for free, all you need to do, just come here, click on the hidden tab here. When you click on the hidden tab, look at, just see what's going to happen right now. So the Capcut watermark is gone. Understand? So you can now go back to the main page. You know, this is just a bonus tip. You get my point? All right, so the almighty number 2 is the color match. Now let me explain. Let me just make a brief explanation on the color match. Now this color match is, maybe if you are recording a video, and even if you don't have any light in your background or anywhere, you get my point? So you can decide to bring in a picture of anything. Now that picture of anything you are bringing, the color that appears on that picture can be used as your background color. Let's go to Capcut so you will understand. But on Capcut, click on new project and import the video you want to use right here. You get my point? So I purposely made this video for this tutorial. Understand? So now let's go and look for color match. Where is this color match? Go to adjust. Now click on adjust. You see color match here. When you see auto adjust, now just click on this color match right here. I want to show you guys something so that you understand what I'm talking about. Now when you click on it, it will tell you to select from video. Now if you like to select from video, good, but they will tell you upload. Now when you click on this upload, it will take you to your phone gallery. Understand? So I had to go to Google and download a plain blue picture. You get my point? So I'm going to bring it right here so you will see the transformation. So let me just bring it here. So look at it here right now. So you see the color is uploaded and you can see the change in the video. Guys, be sincere. Don't you like what you see? So this is how to use the color match feature on Capcut. You get my point? Like I said before, this is something that anyone on any niche can use. You get my point? So you don't even need to have light in your house before you record your video. With this color match, and then you can use any picture online. You can go and download green picture, blue picture, red picture, depending on how you want your background to look like. You get my point? Now you can play around with this intensity tab here, so you just adjust it to how you want the video to be. So guys, that's just it. So guys, please like this video so YouTube will distribute it to a larger audience. You know, we need to grow. You get my point? So see you in our next video.